Hi folks, let's talk about the new version of HubSpot integration. Navigate to your integration section and click on the connect for HubSpot. Select your particular account. I can see mine, so let me just quickly search. Choose your account and your HubSpot is connected. Ensure that this is just a connect, and for your data to start syncing, you have to hit on the sync now button, and before doing that, ensure all your mapping for all the objects and the activities is done correctly, and post that click on the sync now button. So let's talk about the object property and statuses mapping. So starting with the contact, we have defined contacts and leads. So if you know that HubSpot have this property of lifecycle stage, here you can see multiple stages, and in Super Sales now you can create a lead or contact based on the contact lifecycle stage of HubSpot. If I click on subscriber, so the contact which is under the lifecycle stage as subscriber will be created as a lead. And for the contact, if I click on the opportunity, so the contact of HubSpot which is having lifecycle stage of opportunity will be created as a contact in Super Sales. Click on the save button and you can move forward. Moving on to the statuses, now we support both the custom statuses of HubSpot and Super Sales. Here you will be able to see if there is any additional custom statuses of Super Sales, and in the drop down you will be able to find the custom statuses of HubSpot. Moving on to the properties, we have X number of predefined properties. For the one which are not mapped, you can simply type and search and map them. Click on the save changes button, and for the override, if you want to override the Super Sales data into HubSpot, click toggle on the override. Save changes. Let's move forward. And in the sync you will be able to see, for pulling the contacts, you will be able to see that we can pull all the contacts, or based on the list. Inside the list you will be able to see all those HubSpot list for pulling the contacts, and you can select if you want to push the contact and lead or not. Moving on to the lead section, we have the statuses here. If you want to get the lead stage and the lead to be created, then ensure that you toggle on these both. We have all the statuses. These do support the custom statuses of both Super Sales and HubSpot, so ensure if you have it or not. Moving on to the properties, we have predefined set. If not, you can just simply search and map and toggle on the override if you want so. Moving on to the companies, again we have the properties, all the company properties, and we have the sync. By default, we pull all the companies from the HubSpot. For the push, we have the toggle. Moving on to the deals, we have pipeline, properties, and sync. So as we know, a deal flows in the pipeline, so ensure which pipeline you want to pick, and based on that we will be able to get the all the deals under the pipeline. Then we have the deal property. For the one which are not mapped, you can simply search again and you will be able to get. Once done, do not forget to click on the save changes button. Then we have the sync. By default, we pull all the deals from HubSpot, but only under the pipeline that you have selected over here. Then we have the push of the deal. Only the deals which are under these particular selected pipelines will be pushed. These HubSpot pipelines will also be created in Super Sales. And moving on to the activities, we have email, meeting, call, LinkedIn, task, and now we will be adding notes as well soon. Once all the setting is done, click on the sync now button and your data syncing will start.